here, I'm just going to bend both knees up to start.
Okay.
As I bend you up. Bending better in through that left side, although there's some resistance there. I'm assuming that doesn't feel great in through the hips or the low back way.
Okay, it's in the inner groin as well.
Oh, interesting. Okay. Can I get you from the hip to try and raise that right leg up in the air as high as you can? Got you got it there, and then I'll have you try the same thing on the other side for me. Good. Any issues, any pain, any pulling?
Just about got a hamstring cramp.
Okay, well, that's not fun.
Left leg.
In the left? Okay. So here, I'm going to start with the right.
Okay.
Can you try and hold me there? Actually, that's not great either on the right. And then same thing here, try and hold me up. Better. Are you okay if we switch legs here?
Yep.
All right. So I'm going to try and press you down.
Okay.
That's really not happy. If I hold you there, try that again for me. Okay, and easier.
Yeah.
So then from here, I'm going to get you turned facing over, actually towards the camera to start out.
Okay.
Just bend that top leg up, so you're flat and move under here. Perfect. And then breath in. And there it is. And then I'm going to get you the other way going. Perfect. Good. Good. And breathe in. Good. That will go really nicely.
Yeah.
And then I will get you back face down for the wide. And then just bend your knees up again here, John. So bending better on both actually this time.
Yeah.
Easier in through there?
Yeah.
Anything in through the groin?
Tightness in the left groin.
Okay. So that one we'll come back to in a moment. You're still pretty jammed up in through the T-spine. Can I get you just to raise that right leg up again as high as it'll go? And then the left. Okay, at least even at this point. And I'm going to free up in through here. Deep breath in for me. And up. Nice. And then one more here, breath in. Yep. There we go. Perfect. I can check right into your hips too, if that's all right.
Yep.
So yeah, that's going to be, I'm assuming not great in the left. I'm going to give you some pressure here.
Yep.
I'm going to start fairly gentle. You let me know if it's too much.
Okay.
Survivable so far?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. And then have you been able to keep training at home through everything?
Yep. I've still been working out probably 3 or 4 times a week.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Have quite a bit of equipment at home.
It's a good spot to be in when everything's closed otherwise.
Exactly. I was training at home before the gym's closed, so it didn't really bother me too much.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, not even really a transition for you.
Yeah, no.
It's mostly starting to let go, so there's one spot in here that I assume is also not great, but
Tender.
try and breathe through it as best you can. It will help it relax a little bit quickly. Though you've never really been somebody to start holding your breath anyways.
No. No, I'm getting a tattoo. I have to tell myself to breathe through that.
I figure with the amount of tattoos you've probably gotten at this point.
I'm afraid of it.
Really?
Yeah. If I
Okay,
get my
fair
breath
enough.
taken, I get like really wheezy.
I definitely know a couple people like that, but I just assumed
Yeah.
I'm married to a tattoo artist.
I can't watch the tattoo
Oh, fair
being done.
Which makes you an even better husband that you're going to sit down and...
I mean, I love getting tattooed. I love having them. I just can't see it happening. I'll look when it's finished.
That sounds pretty reasonable.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, the quality of the tattoo, you've never got to like, make sure she's doing the right thing because she
Exactly.
nails it every time.
Exactly. Not worried.
Yeah, over here. You're okay there?
Yeah.
All right, breath in for me here. And up. Good. And then, I actually shift the camera a bit for this one. This is going to be that money shot that'll clear up everything that's been sore in there. Breath in. Yep. Nice. All right. When you're ready, I'm going to get you on your back foot. Take your time coming over. It's already feeling better in the neck. There's definitely still going to be some cleanup to do, but yeah, should help a lot. Some of it. Okay, yeah, definitely still some cleanup to do. And John, I'm going to get you to wiggle your toes for me. Perfect. And there's one more, I don't know if you can tell the difference here, but if I bring you over this way, it's really nice and easy versus just jams. So I'm actually going to just do it away from this one. Are you okay there?
Yeah.
Okay. You're definitely resistant to the pressure, but
Hey, my neck's like, no.
there we go. And then just try to relax it as best you can. There we go. Perfect. From here, I will come down and check out your feet.
Okay.
Start with your left side here. A little bit in there. And then traction's okay there?
Yep.
Good. Tight in through the bottom.
Yeah.
I don't think that's unusual for you though.
No, it's pretty normal.
Get that loosened up a bit more. That seems happier. Perfect. Good. And then from here, can I get you to push out with your legs for me? Good. And then in. Good. I'm going to get you to bend your knees up here so your feet are flat. This side. And then I'm going to have you just squeeze your knees together. That just fixed something in there. One more time. Try that again for me here. Yeah, that seems a little more solid even. Yeah. If it was that easy, I'm going to get you to go back face down for me for a second. I just want to make sure we got rid of that feeling in through the groin.
Okay.
So this time, as I bend your knees up, really smooth.
Yeah.
Any pain, any pulling?
No, it's feeling good.
Beautiful. All right, from here, I'm going to get you sitting for me. Ready?
Okay.
Sorry, like I said, still figuring out positioning, but
No problem.
okay. Behind you here, I'm going to check in through the upper ribs so that sort of sucks in the left.
Yep.
I'm going to bring your head over here. Breath in for me when you're ready. And out. Good. That's easier. Right's still pretty good there. And then I'm going to wear your left arm here. I'm going to bring it back. That's moving pretty well. That's moving pretty well. No issues there?
No.
And we'll switch your sides. Same thing here. I'm going to bring it back. You know what? As good as the left was, the right
Yeah.
is better.
Way better.
So we're going to adjust that.
Okay.
I'm going to bring you here. Yeah, I'm going to pull you back. You're okay with that pressure?
Yep.
Good. And then drop that down. I'm going to pull you up this time. There you go. Yeah.
Yeah.
The rest you should be happier there. I'm going to have you feel everything out for me. Let me know if there's anything feels stuck or.
Feels a lot better, that's for sure.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Well, you do it again. Oh, yeah.